Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Solana video update for Friday 22nd of April. And there's a lot of trouble going on with Bitcoin that I actually do notice, and it's actually translating really bad for Solana as well. What I was looking for Solana is actually continuation to the upside, but you also have to watch Bitcoin in this space. So I wish that coins were actually moving according to their own wish and plan and whatever they want to do, instead of Bitcoin controlling them all of a sudden. If Bitcoin wasn't controlling all of these altcoins, we will see a lot of altcoins already moving to the upside. But it is what it is. That's how crypto is, and it's a crazy market. So right now we didn't do something that we wanted to do, and instead what I'm going to tell you is, right now, instead of actually even analyzing Solana, let's analyze what Bitcoin is doing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just give you a quick comment on what's going on with Bitcoin. Do check out the update. I do have a second part critical update as well. So what I'm going to tell you is something like this. You actually went to the downside, make a bear flag, you're breaking out of the bear flag, you're looking to come down to $37,900. So that actually can be mirrored with Solana as well. So do watch Bitcoin, and whatever Bitcoin does, match that one with Solana as well. So it could even very well come down to take out the 95. So remember, if you start to take out the 95 right over here, because that was the last week of this stop loss hunting, I guess. So if you start to take out $95, you're gonna go even way more to the downside. So in my opinion, Saturday, Sunday, Monday won't be really good. Hopefully we start to recover from Tuesday. Let's see what really happens. And that's it for today's update. If you want to learn more about trading, do check out my trading course. 18 hours of content. You're gonna actually have a lot of fun with this course, and you're gonna learn tons of things when it comes down to trading to win in the market. So that's it. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.